Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to edit this preset in Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, let's quickly review PDF Element from Wondershare. This application is available on both Windows and Mac, covering major operating system versions. Let's open the application. In Markup tab, you can highlight, strike through and underline text. You can also use the pencil to write on the PDF and many more. In the Text tab, you can edit PDFs by modifying text content of each lines in paragraphs. You can change font type, font color, and format paragraphs. Basically, you have control over smallest text elements. You can also add or edit image with different formats like JPEG, PNG, GIF, and many more. There's also a feature to add or edit links to PDF file. Using this application, you can create forms easily by using text field, checkbox, radio button, drop down, list box, button, and digital signature. And in Tool tab, apart from editing PDFs, you can also convert one or more PDFs to any formats. You can use OCR text recognition. It is a built-in optical character recognition that can accurately turn scanned documents into searchable and editable text, allowing you to repurpose the content without retyping. You can add or edit watermark. You can also add or edit background. Add or edit header and footer, and you can also crop the PDF. You can encrypt your PDFs with encryption levels up to 256 bits and permission to copy, edit, and print. PDF Element is all-in-one PDF solution product and also the best alternative to Adobe Acrobat Reader. Please go and check out this product. Download links are available in video description.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Looking from the telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space Pluto. You already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad. 'Cause space makes me sad. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. 'Cause space makes me sad. 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto. You already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad. 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Let's go. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. 'Cause space makes me sad. 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto. You already knew though. I'm hiding just.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.